Hey, it's Captain Brian, and after years of begging from the girls, we finally got a boat dog. So we had to get some gear for her to be on the boat. I guess number one, life jacket, so she can be safe and we can pick her up.
Relax, it's okay. It's okay, I got you. Daddy's got you. Daddy's got you. What, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Swim to the boat.
Good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl.
Yeah. Yay, Gracie. She swims great.
And number two, somewhere to sleep. So we got this crate. It's collapsible, although we don't really need to collapse it. We just throw it up on the V-berth during the day. And we got a little bed inside that it's a nice size, but there's still enough room to put a little piddle pad up here just in case she has to have an accident in the middle of the night. And during the night we'll drape this with a blanket to keep the noise and the light, keep it quieter and cozy in there for her. And then of course, sea creatures. That's supposed to be an octopus. She did a number on that, and other things to play with. Ropes, kind of nautical. She likes those. So yeah, that's all you really need, and a couple of food bowls, water bowls. Oh, a little rubber mat around the food bowl so that she doesn't spill and make a mess.
Tucks in nice under the fridge.
Also, we put this harness on her to take her for walks in the marina. One, so that it's, if she fell off the side of the dock, which she hasn't, you could pull her up without pulling her by the neck, right? And she loves, everybody she meets on the dock, so she's like pulling and going to different places, and we want to keep her safe. The other thing is we have a paddle board that we use when we're out on the hook to take her ashore, so she can do her business, on the beach or whatever. And then we use the wash down, the shower on the transom to wash off the river water when she gets back aboard and get all the sand off her. And she's used to everything already. She's been a great addition to our boat family, and she's enjoying the boat life.
Okay, wet dog. Dry off.
Hope you like this video and subscribe for more from My Boat Life.
Ooh, wet dog.